I'm not going to be growing in my garden for 1 year. What cover crop should I use in the winter and the summer? Winter and the summer. This is from Hal. Okay. So thinking along the right lines, but he wants something for the winter and the summer.
Winter is very, very common because
Yes.
a lot of folks will
winter's
plant
very
cover
common.
crops in the wintertime. I've got a list of them, and I think I went to Oregon State University
Okay.
and got what they recommend.
Okay.
And
this is their extension
and
site.
And a lot of the plants you're going to recognize. Alfalfa.
Yes.
That's a winter. Of course, alfalfa you could also plant in the spring. Austrian field peas it would be for the wintertime.
Winter.
Plant those in the
That's for the
fall.
winter.
Barley, you can plant barley in either the fall or the spring, and it will grow. Buckwheat, this is spring and summer one, so that would be one that you would plant for a summer.
Okay.
Fava beans, I'm not really familiar with fava beans, but you can plant them in early spring and late summer, so they would work as they'd be a legume, and they would work in the summer. Garden peas, I would be wanting to eat those.
Right.
That's a cover crop that you could eat. Again, they're a fall. That'd be for a winter cover crop. So there you are. Plant you some garden peas, and you can got a cover crop and a food. Oats, spring and fall. Annual rye would be planted in the fall time, and that would be a good winter cover crop. Hairy vetch
That's big time here.
That's a good fall one for winter cover. And then wheat. Which you can plant in the fall for a winter cover crop. So there you are.
That's a good list. But the vetch is something I know a lot of folks
The
around here do.
vetch
And
is
they
a
till it
perennial.
under, of course.
And that's what they're recommending with all of these is actually tilling them under. They're not recommending them. I guess you could no-till them, go in there and burn them down.
Interesting. I didn't think about that. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.